Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Word, Getting Started, Part 1 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, links to Microsoft subscription and online free version, application window, blank document, ribbon display options, save auto recovery, proofing, spelling and grammar, ribbon, toolbar, customize quick access toolbar, speak selected text, taskbar which includes accessibility checker, tooltips. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. Slides 4 and 5 and 6 will explain how to maximize or restore down a window. Slide 7 suggests two other methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, and 7 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. When the screen is maximized, it fills the entire screen. The Maximize Restore Down button changes to a single square when in the Restore Down mode. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size as you see below. To adjust the width of a Restore Down window, place the cursor on the left side edge or right side edge. The cursor will change into an arrow with points at both ends. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the edge to widen the window. When you have reached the desired width, release the mouse. Use the same method to increase the height of the window. Using the same method, place the cursor on top of the window and move the window anywhere on the screen. Arrows are shown in red and blue only for demonstrational purposes. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. The second window may overlap the first window as you see below. Use the same steps to adjust the height and the width and move the second window off the first. Both windows should now be side by side on your desktop. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop the window down to the taskbar. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the open window, then click on the other window to open it up. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on a library or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Microsoft 365 Word. If you do not have a subscription to Office 365, there is a free online version. https://www.office.com/. Please go to https://free-office-online-for-the-web. This version is not available offline. Please click on the blank document. Every time Word opens, it opens to the application window. You can select a blank document to begin a new project, a template, or open an existing document. If your ribbon looks like this, it means your ribbon's options are in auto hide mode. The upward pointing arrow inside the square controls your ribbon options. Click on this arrow and select Show Tabs and Commands. Ribbon now displays the tabs and commands. The ribbon's tabs and commands are now displayed above the blank document. When you use Word for the first time, there are some very helpful features you should enable. On the ribbon, click File. The Backstage View box will open. Click on Options. People type at different speeds. Setting the auto recover will save your work automatically based on the number of minutes you selected. This is set to save every 4 minutes. Click Save. Click OK. Word will automatically return to the blank document once you click OK. 1. Click File. 2. Click Options. 3. Click Proofing. To place a check mark in a box, click inside the box. 4. Check mark the following. Check spelling as you type. Mark grammar errors as you type. Frequently confused words. Check grammar with spelling. 5. Click OK. By default, Word opens on the Home tab. For this tutorial, the tabs are surrounded by a light blue rectangle. The words underlined in black are called groups. Toolbar commands and options. Save, undo, redo, add to toolbar. Document title, search field. Help feature has been moved here. My benefits, upcoming features, ribbon display options, minimize, maximize, close. On the toolbar, you will find this small downward pointing arrow. It allows you to add more buttons to the toolbar for easy access. Click the arrow and a drop-down list appears. We're going to add the Speak Selected Text button to our toolbar. Click on More Commands. Click Quick Access Toolbar. Change Popular Commands to All Commands. Make sure this box reads for all documents. Scroll down to and click on Speak to highlight it. Then click Add. Speak button will then be added to your toolbar. Click OK. Speak icon is now on the toolbar. However, it is grayed out because no text has been selected. Type a short sentence, then highlight the text. Click on the Speak icon to hear the text read aloud. This feature is great if you are sending a Word document to someone who may be visually impaired. If they do not have Word, they can still open the document by using Microsoft Word Online or Google Docs. It may also come in handy if you have a presentation to give and you're unsure if you like the wording of a particular sentence or question. Taskbar. Number of pages, number of words. Focus mode hides the taskbar and ribbons so the only thing you see is a page while you are working. Text predictions anticipates what you are going to type next and displays the text for your acceptance. Accessibility checks for issues that may cause a person with disabilities problems. Read mode, print layout, web layout, zoom slider. If you hover the cursor over a command, a tooltip will appear telling you what the command does. Word has made it easy to identify commands and what they are used for using the tooltips. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Word Getting Started, Part 1 of 12 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 1. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 2 through 12 of Microsoft Word 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact Gloria.Terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.